Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing mutton fry. For all the mutton lovers, this is a hassle-free dish. Simple yet taste amazing. The ingredients are 500 gram of mutton chunks, boneless, little amount of ginger paste, little amount of garlic paste, dry masalas like chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and pepper powder, 1 onion and 1 tomato, few red chillies, dry as well as fresh, chopped garlic, curry leaves and coriander leaves, salt as per taste, very little oil for frying up the onion. First, let me season the mutton with little amount of salt and add up all the dry masalas. That is chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and freshly ground pepper powder. Let me mix it thoroughly. You can allow these mutton chunks to get marinated in the masalas for at least 1 hour. Heat up very little amount of oil in a frying pan. Add the chopped onions to it and fry till the onions is light brown in color. Add up the ginger paste followed by garlic paste. Fry it for a minute or so. Then it is time to add the chopped tomato and fry it for a minute again. Then you can add the marinated mutton chunks. I am cooking this dish on a very low flame. The mutton pieces releases enough water, so as the masalas. So I'll be adding very little amount of water and cover and cook it on a low flame. After 15 to 20 minutes of cooking, you can see the mutton has released enough water and all the tomato has softened up and released enough water. The dish is almost done, so we can finish up by adding chopped garlic pieces, followed by chopped coriander leaves. I'll be tempering it by heating little amount of oil, adding up the chillies and curry leaves. And once the curry leaves have got fried up, I will add it to the gravy. And our dish is ready for serving. This mutton fry with little amount of gravy goes well with rice as well as rotis. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.